welcome back to my channel. I love you all. If it's the first time you're joining us, please subscribe. I have lots of education coming up. In today's video, we'll be learning the various sounds of the letter A. Basically, the letter A can give us three sounds, which are the short A, long R, and short O. The letter A sounds A in words like apple, which is very popular, alligator, thank, balcony, natural. Whereas the long R occurs in words like father, pastor, plus, bath. Finally, the short R appears in words like swallow, swallow it, not swallow, not swallow, it's swallow. Yacht, yacht, it's pronounced as yacht, squad, and swap, same swap it, swap it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next video. I love you guys.